sweet dreams. Hi guys, and how are all of you? So in this quarantine, I'm keeping myself fit using Anisha's home remedies and simple diet. I heard of Anisha from a friend, and can I tell you, I'm just in love with her home remedies and her simple diet. So simple that I can eat all the carbs that I want and still maintain my figure. So if you want to do the same, check her out in my link. Hey, good morning everyone. Have a lovely day. Breakfast? Done. Good night. Sweet dreams. So, I'm spending my evening cleaning my shoe closet, something that I don't get a chance to do because we're running around. आप क्या कर रहे हो? These are the advantages of staying home. You can do a lot of your own work. घर पे रहने का यही तो फायदा है. Sarah, कुछ पल घर के नाम. Hi guys. So as some of you may know or may not know that I'm the granddaughter of the late Barsar Rashmi Patel ji, an illustrious lawyer, a super achieved politician, and of course the right hand of Mrs. Indira Gandhi ji during her tenure as Prime Minister to India. In honor of his numerous achievements and his glorious career, many important locations in Mumbai have been named after him. The Worli Chowk is called Barsar Rashmi Patel Chowk just before Haji Ali. The road between the Air India building and Oberoi Hotel is also called the late Barsar Rashmi Patel Road. In his memory in Worli, there is a Barrister Rajni Patel Memorial Garden with his statue. He established many such things as the Nehru Planetarium and many other things. Whenever I cross these areas, I'm left amazed. You know, this book came out a year and a half ago, and I never had time to read it. But now with the quarantine, that's what I'm doing. घर पे रहने का तो यही तो फायदा है. So stay home, stay safe. सेरा, कुछ पल घर के नाम. So guys, here I'm ready with my cheesy, yummy Italian pasta. I have put a lot of chili flakes, oregano, some Parmesan cheese. Also, my specialty, which I've always loved since I was a kid, was to mix balsamic vinaigrette with olive oil. So I bought this years ago from Murano in the glass factory in Venice, in Italy. So I'm going to mix a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of balsamic with my non-fat, non-maida bread. And I'm going to dip it in, eat it and enjoy my pasta. Enjoy your dinner. I'll catch you later. Bye. So guys, we can't travel to Italy, can't eat out at restaurants, especially Italian restaurants that I love. So I decided to come down to my kitchen, keep a little positivity, get a little rest and cook myself a yummy cheesy pasta. I don't know whether it's going to be yummy, we'll try it. With olives, it's vegetarian, just with a lot of seasoning. Pepper dinner. Trying to make it as spicy as I like it. The Italian food is not as spicy. So, I'm going to be busy with this. Catch you later, see how it works out. Cheers to all you lovely people. Stay safe. Mwah. Hey you cute girlies out there. So as you know, a girl and her makeup can't be too far away from each other for too long. I'm basically just cleaning my brushes, rearranging my makeup, trying a few new techniques just to keep myself occupied while I stay safe and I stay indoors. What are you cute girlies up to? Let me know. Hi guys, this is Amisha Patel and as you know, everybody knows the precautions they need to take. It's been all over the news, the newspapers, channels, and of course our film industry has stood in solidarity to convey this through numerous videos. So I won't do the same. All I can say is that our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has asked us to maintain a Janta curfew today and come out at 5 p.m. to show our solidarity to fight this unknown enemy. But what is important is not to maintain the social distancing and curfew just for today, but for the coming weeks till we don't have a vaccine and each of us can be a vaccine in ourselves and to help this country fight this unknown enemy. So all my love, be happy in your isolation, stay strong, be safe, lots of love.
एक मिनट मशीन थोड़ा आगे आती है